Nani, Nani, tell me a story about Independence Day now. Please, please, Nani. Arey Riya, you've become a big girl now. You have so many books yourself, story books, history books. Read something yourself now. Okay, don't frown. Tell me, what story would you want to listen to? But also, see, now I've become old. My memory is little. So, whatever I remember, I'll tell you. Okay? Of course, you'll remember, Nani. You feed me badams, you eat badams. You only say no, it's good for memory. How will you not remember? Sometimes I wonder, who is the grandmother? You or me? Tell me, what would you want to listen to, Riya? Acha Nani, tell me, why is 15th August celebrated as our Independence Day? Why 15th August? Good question. Let me think. Let me take you back in time to the year 1947. Lord Mountbatten was appointed as the Viceroy of India in February 1947. Viceroy? What's Viceroy, Nani? Explain now. Viceroy means like the governor, someone who runs the affairs of the country. He's appointed by the British Prime Minister. So Lord Mountbatten was being given strict instructions to transfer the powers to India latest by June 1948. Means India had to get independence by June 1948. June 1948. Oh, so why did he prepone it by 10 months? You see, Riya, Lord Mountbatten wanted to return home earlier to England. He wanted to go back sooner to advance in his naval career. And when he came to India, he saw so much rising communal tensions and conflicts. He thought probably waiting till June 1948 would lead to a civil war. That's what he thought. And that's why he preponed it. But I don't think even he realized what price everyone would have to pay for it. What price, Nani? What is a civil war? Tell me more now. I'll tell you some other day, Riya, when you grow up a little more. But coming to your question, why 15th August? You see, Lord Mountbatten remembered this as an important date in the history because just 2 years back, on 15th August 1945, Japan had surrendered in World War II. Japan had accepted defeat, and that's how World War II ended. Oh, that is why 15th August 1947 was chosen as our Independence Day. Yes, Riya. In 1929, in fact, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the president of Indian National Congress, when he called out for Purna Swaraj, that is total independence, he had decided that in January 1930, the last Sunday, which happened to be 26 January, would be chosen as the Independence Day. But we didn't get independence in 1930. So then later on, 26 January was chosen as our Republic Day. You're right, Riya. You're very intelligent. But what I really want you to remember in all of this, Riya, is that the freedom that we have today is not free. It was hard earned by our freedom fighters, our patriots who sacrificed their lives. We owe it to them, our freedom. We have to prove to be worthy of it. To them, our patriots, our freedom fighters, and even our soldiers who are fighting day and night, protecting us at the borders. Yes, Nani, I agree with you. I promise I will grow up to be worthy of this freedom. I'm proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. I know, Ria. I know. Jai Hind. Hi everyone, this is Meher Gehi wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe for lots more interesting stuff coming up. Jai Hind.